So we're back for day 2 of the bike contest. Who do you think is going to come out as the winners? Stay tuned.
My name is Joe, and this is my 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa. As you can see, this is a full dry carbon Hayabusa. The bike from the front fender to the rear one, it's completely swapped out. It has Aleph Performance lowering link from the back and the front. The triple tree clamp as well. My plans for the bike is hopefully by the end of this season, which is in 1132, I'm gonna have an Evo swing arm on it. We're gonna throw the Rapid BSTs, and that's about it.
Now I will say, we getting bored with just a regular carbon. We either going different patterns or different colors. But this is sick, man. This is green, regular plain carbon. Awesome.
Oh yeah, and it has, of course, the full Acura system on it as well.
Yeah, I see that, and you changed the stickers to match his colors. Now this is dope. That's dope. Thank you for the interview. Appreciate you, man. Thanks. All right. All right, Fast Lane D, I found your little brother, man. Oh, tell us about your bike, man.
My bike, it's Suzuki 1000 RR, fully carbon from Motorfix Garage. I have the full kit fairing, the face and right and left fairing. And also I get a carbon fender for Hayabusa Gen 3. And I have the tank over frame. And I get also the aluminum chassis, the new footrest for Aleph. And also I get the Evil swing arm and the forged aluminum rims. And I fix the AIM dashboard. It's ready here. You can.
Nice, nice.
Yeah, the name of bike A7. It's like from A7 airplane,
yeah.
Army airplane. And I get Brox. CT megaphone exhaust, and the engine, it's head cam.
Oh.
Yeah, only head cam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's stock, huh?
Yeah, it's a stock.
Oh, Lord.
Head cam is still stock.
That means it's not stock, but I got you.
Also, if I get head cam piston, it's already stock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you get stroker, is it stock still?
Huh?
Is it stock still when you get stroker?
Also, stroker 4 milli, it's a stock. 6 milli, it's not stock.
No, it's a beautiful bike.
Thank you.
I
brother.
actually love it, man. I like Jixas, but this one takes the cake, bro. You did a nice number on this thing, man.
But if you listen to the engine sound, you will see it's head cam only.
Jeez. Nice, bro.
I have the cat sound.
Yeah. It's nice.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, appreciate it. Today's kind of chilly, but this is actually normal for them. This is actually the time that they actually ride. In Qatar, it gets really, really extremely hot, but this is the time that they actually come out and do their thing. So wintertime is the best time to come out on tube. So here it is. It's the moment you all been waiting for. All the prize winners. Man, it's a tough one, but I will say that majority of the bikes that won all have turbo. Every last one of them.
تبارك الرحمن اللي شاركت معه.
so much excitement. I don't know where to go, man. You know, everything is happening everywhere. I need my eardrums checked when I get back home. Yeah, every bike is pretty much turbo. It's crazy. See, everybody's behind me surrounding the bikes. They was just showing you all how that turbo works. Sounds crazy.
This is S1000 2022. This is our kit, carbon fiber from Batabit. We do the paint job. It's like the red one with the carbon touches. And yeah, nitros.
I see.
Yeah, Rotobox streams.
Okay.
Like we did some touches.
Yeah.
And hopefully we did win.
It's a beautiful bike.
Thank you very much.
You know, I am so glad that you all won, because I've been looking at this, eyeballing this bike the whole entire time I was here. Great job. Yeah, I appreciate the interview. All right, congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, dang. So majority of the sport bike winners are not here. Man, congratulations. Sorry I couldn't see you all. They had multiple events today, which I totally understand. But hey, you all did good. And guess what? All of the winners have pieces of MotoFix parts on. That's right, MotoFix. Shout out to you all. There we go.
طبعا عندنا فئة السوبر كاستر سبورتس. فئة السوبر جميلة جدا مميزة.
So we about to go have some fun.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm telling you, they got everything out here. Jeez. That was the practice shot? Let me see that again. Yo, bro, that's crazy. Bro, that was like the same shot. Jeez. That was good. Let me see. So that was a mistake. This was actually mine. Appreciate it.
Yours actually looks like Mickey Mouse.
Oh yeah. Definitely having fun out here, man.